Hello students, let us continue chapter 3 playing with numbers. Let us continue exercise 3.3 question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. First, blank space 6724. In this question, we have to find the smallest digit and greatest digit and write that digit in the blank space in the given numbers so that the number formed after writing the digit is divisible by the number 3. So let us see the solution. According to the question, we should write a single digit number in this blank space so that the number formed after we write the number in the blank space should be divisible by 3. So we have to find two such digits. One should be the smallest and one should be the greatest. It should be a one digit number, so such that the number formed by writing that number in the blank space should be divisible by 3. So for divisibility by 3, we know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits in that number is divisible by 3. For example, this number will be divisible by 3 only if we add these digits and the sum is divisible by 3. So here we will consider these four digits: 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. When we add these four digits, we have 6 plus 7, which is 13, plus 2, which is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So here we have 19. What can we add in 19 such that the number formed is a multiple of 3? So for that, we will consider the multiples of 3 greater than 19. Those are 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and so on. So for making 19 21, we will have to add 2. So 19 plus 2 is 21. For making it 24, we will have to add 5. For making 19 27, we will have to add 8. For making 19 30, 30 बनाने के लिए क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 11 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. But this is not a single digit number, so we can consider factor multiple still 27. So for making 19 21, we will have to add 2. यानी कि अगर हम blank space में 2 लिखेंगे, then in 5 numbers को add करके, 5 digits को add करके, we will get 21, which is a multiple of 3. Then it will be divisible by 3. Therefore, for the smallest digit, that is 2. So here we can write 26724. That is 26,724, which is equal to, when we add, which is equal to 21. When we add the digits, we get 21, which is a multiple of 3. यानी कि ये नंबर जो है ये 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. Similarly, for making 1927 plus 8 करेंगे, यानी कि ये बिगेस्ट नंबर है. उसके बाद सिंगल डिजिट नहीं मिलेगा, डबल डिजिट्स मिलेंगे, 2 digit numbers मिलेंगे. I mean, then here the single digit, the greatest digit that we can write in the blank space is 8. So 86,724 is also divisible by 3, because when we add these 5 numbers, 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, we get 27, which is a multiple of 3. So यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जब 2 लिखा, वो स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट था जो इस नंबर को 3 से डिविजिबल बना रहा था, और जब 8 लिखा तो दैट वाज द ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट दैट मेड दिस नंबर, द नंबर फॉर्म्ड डिविजिबल बाय 3. In this way, you have to write the solution. First of all, we will find the sum of the given digits, which is 19. So 19 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करेंगे कि हमें 3 के मल्टीपल्स मिलेंगे. जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है, जो सबसे नज़दीक है 19 के, दैट इज़ 21. और जो 19 के सबसे दूर है और जो सिंगल डिजिट ऐड करने पे मिल रहा है 19 से, दैट इज़ 27. सो हियर फॉर मेकिंग 19 21, वी विल ऐड 2, और 19 को 27 बनाने के लिए 8 ऐड करेंगे. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट इज़ 2 and the greatest digit that is in the blank space is 8. In the next question, we have a blank space and we have to fill this with the smallest digit and the greatest digit such that the number formed is divisible by 3. Just like we solved first part, we have to solve this second part. Now first of all, we will add the digits, the given digits we will add. Then we get, when we add these digits, we get 24. Now 24 is a multiple of 3. The next multiples are 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. ठीक है, 24 जो है वो ऑलरेडी एक मल्टीपल है, सो स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा कि 24 ही रहे, 24 प्लस 0 इज इक्वल टू 24, राइट. सो यहाँ पे व्हेन वी राइट this number, when we put 0 in the blank space, then also this number is divisible by 3. So here 4,76,502 is divisible by 3. For the greatest digit we will simply see 24 plus 3 is 27, plus 6 is 30, plus 9 is 33, and plus 12 is 36. 12 being a 2-digit number, we won't consider 12, यानी कि we will have 9, that is 33 minus 24 करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, 9 मिलेगा. तो अगर 24 में 9 ऐड करेंगे then 9 is the greatest digit such that the number formed is divisible by 3. So here 4,76,592 is also divisible by 3. So the smallest number is 0 and the greatest number is 9. In this way you have to write the solution. First of all you have to write the sum of the given digits, and since 24 is a multiple, already 3 का multiple है, तो 24 में अगर हम 0 ऐड करेंगे तो भी ये नंबर जो है वो divisible है, तो इसीलिए smallest digit जो है in the blank space is 0. Similarly for finding the greatest digit in the blank space, we can write 33 minus 24, then we get 9. So 9 is the greatest digit in the blank space such that the number formed is divisible by 3. Question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. First, 9, 2, blank space, 3, 8, 9. In this question, we have to write a digit, a single digit in the blank space in these given numbers, so that after writing the digit, we get the number which is divisible by 11. Just like question number 5, we have to write a digit in this blank space such that the number is divisible by 11. So for divisibility by 11, we have to find the sum of the numbers in the odd place and even place. So कैसे decide करते हैं odd place and even place? We start from this side. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now first place is an odd place from right to left. So since 1 is an odd number, 9 is in the odd place. Similarly 3 is in the odd place and 2 is in the odd place. Next we will find the sum of numbers in the even place. So 9 is in the even place, the blank space whatever it will be, that is in the even place, and 8 is in the even place. क्योंकि 8 second place पे है और 2 even number है, इसीलिए 8 is in the even place. Next हम क्या करेंगे, we will add these numbers. So sum of odd numbers will be 9 plus 3 plus 2, and sum of the even numbers will be 9 plus, since we don't know this number, ये यहाँ पे क्या है पता नहीं है, तो हम इसे x कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, ये कोई एक नंबर है, इसे क्या ले लिया, x plus 8. On adding these numbers we get 9 plus 3 which is 12 plus 2 we get 14. So इन numbers को add करके 14 मिल रहा है, and when we add 9 and 8 we get 17, and plus x जो है इसको as it is लिखेंगे. Now for this number to be divisible by 11, द डिफरेंस यानी कि जब इन दो नंबर्स को माइनस करेंगे, दोनों सम्स को माइनस करेंगे, देन इट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 11 और इट शुड बी 0. या तो वो 0 होना चाहिए या तो वो 11 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. अब देखो, दिस इज़ द सम ऑफ नंबर इन द ऑड प्लेस, इवन प्लेस. दिस इज़ द सम ऑफ नंबर इन द इवन प्लेस, और ये जो है वो ऑड प्लेस का है. जब हम लोग 17 प्लस एक्स में से 14 माइनस करेंगे, सिंपली हम जब 17 माइनस 14 करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, रिमाइंडर 3 मिलेगा. आंसर 3 मिल रहा है. अब 3 जो है वो ऑलरेडी 0 से बड़ा है, तो अब इन दो नंबर्स को माइनस करके 0 मिले ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि 17 ऑलरेडी 14 से बड़ा है, तो 17 में हम कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं. अगर हम x की जगह पे 1 भी ऐड करें तो हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा, 18. नाउ 18 माइनस 14 वी गेट 4. सो मेकिंग द 0 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, सो द डिफरेंस विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. Then what we will do, we will have to make the difference which is a number divisible by 11. So here 17 plus x minus 14 should be a number divisible by 11. So in this case we will take this number क्लोजेस्ट टू 11. सो 11 ले लेंगे क्योंकि इन दो नंबर्स को माइनस करके हमें 3 मिल रहा है. सो द क्लोजेस्ट नंबर इज़ 11. 3 से क्लोजेस्ट नंबर जो 11 से डिविजिबल है दैट इज़ 11. सो हियर 17 minus 14 we get 3. सो x प्लस 3 शुड बी इक्वल टू 11. तो x क्या हो जाएगा, ये प्लस 3 है, इस साइड लेके जाएंगे तो 11 माइनस 3 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, प्लस का साइन इक्वल टू के ऑपोजिट साइड में, दैट इज इट इज़ इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. व्हेन वी टेक इट टू द राइट हैंड साइड इट विल बिकम माइनस. 11 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 8. सो हियर x इज इक्वल टू 8. यानी कि अगर हम इस ब्लैंक स्पेस में 8 लिखेंगे देन वी गेट द नंबर और द डिफरेंस ऑफ दोज नंबर्स इक्वल टू 11. जब हम इस ब्लैंक स्पेस में 8 लिखेंगे देन दैट नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 11. यहाँ पे 9 2 8 3 8 9 this is the number. Now when we add the even sum of the even places we have 9 plus 8 plus 8 which is equal to 25, and when we add the odd places we already got 14. So here 25 minus 14 it is equal to 11. 25 minus 14 करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, we will get 11. So 11 is divisible by 11, right? So here this number will be divisible by 11. तो blank space में हमने कौन सा नंबर रखा, we put x and x की वैल्यू क्या मिली 8. So here 8 is the digit such that this number is divisible by 11. In this way the solution should be written. First of all we will find the sum of odd and even places and then we will find their difference, and the difference should be divisible by 11. Now the closest number to this difference is 11. in ये जो difference मिल रहा है 3 plus x, उससे closest number जो 11 से divisible है that is 11 itself. So we want the difference to be equal to 11. For that the value of x is equal to 8. That is 17 plus 8 minus 14 करेंगे तो हमें 11 मिल रहा है. तो blank space पे क्या होना चाहिए, it should be 8. Thus the required digit in the blank space is 8. Similarly for the next sub question, that is question number B, we have to find the solution in the same way. So you try that on your own and write the solution in this pattern in your notebook. The next topic we are going to discuss is common factors and common multiples. Now what is the meaning of factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Consider the number 4. What are the factors of 4? ऐसे numbers जो 4 को completely divide करेगा. So first of all 1 जो है वो सारे नंबर्स का फैक्टर होता है. देन 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 इज़ इक्वल टू 4, यानी कि 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है तो 4 जो है वो 2 का फैक्टर है. 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है, दैट इज़ वाई 4 इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2. एंड 4 इटसेल्फ, 4 के टेबल में भी 4 आता है, देयरफॉर 4 इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ 4. एंड व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ मल्टीपल्स? 4 के टेबल में जो नंबर्स आते हैं वो 4 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. जिन नंबर्स के टेबल में 4 आता है वो नंबर्स 4 के फैक्टर्स हैं. लेकिन मल्टीपल्स क्या है, ऐसे नंबर्स जो 4 के टेबल में आते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 इंक्लूड 4, देन 8, 12, 16, 20 एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है, 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12 एंड सो ऑन. सो 4 के फैक्टर्स कौन से हुए, 1 2 एंड 4. इन नंबर्स के टेबल में 4 जो है वो आता है. नेक्स्ट कंसिडर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18. 18 के फैक्टर्स कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. 18 के फैक्टर्स कौन से होंगे, 1 तो होगा ही. 2 के टेबल में 18 आता है, 2 9 ज़ा 18. सो 2 और 9 दोनों के टेबल में 18 आता है. 2 9 ज़ा 18 एंड 9 2 ज़ा 18. नेक्स्ट 3 के टेबल में 18 आता है, 3 6 ज़ा 18. So 3 multiplied by 6 and 6 multiplied by 3 both are 18. Therefore 3 is also a factor of 18 and 6 is also a factor of 18. Next 7 is not a factor of 18 because 7 के टेबल में 18 नहीं आता है, 4 के टेबल में 18 नहीं आता है. Similarly for 5, 8, 10, 11, 12 and so on, then we have 18. 18 के टेबल में 18 आता है. So these are the factors of 18. अब 4 और 18 के फैक्टर्स में कुछ नंबर्स जो है वो कॉमन है, कुछ फैक्टर्स जो है वो कॉमन है. व्हाट आर दोज? 1 एंड 2. these two numbers are common. So we can say that the numbers 1 and 2 are common factors of 4 and 18. So that was the topic common factors. Next common multiples की बात कर लेते हैं. Consider the number 6. 6 के मल्टीपल्स कौन से हैं? इट इज 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36 एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है. अब 4 के मल्टीपल्स में कौन से नंबर्स आते हैं? या 20 के बाद वी हैव 24, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव 28 एंड सो ऑन. सो अब इनमें से कॉमन नंबर्स कुछ मिल रहे हैं हम लोगों को. हियर वी हैव 12 जो 4 के भी टेबल में आता है, 6 के भी टेबल में आता है. उसके अलावा हियर वी हैव 24 जो दोनों के टेबल में प्रेजेंट है. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट हियर द कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 and 6 आर 12 and 24. ये जो है वो 2 कॉमन मल्टीपल्स है. इफ़ वी multiply further we can get more common multiples, but here 12 and 24 both are the common multiples of 4 and 6. जैसे हम लोगों ने 2 नंबर्स के कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड किए, इन द सेम वे वी कैन फाइंड कॉमन फैक्टर्स फॉर 3 नंबर्स. सो कंसिडर द नंबर 4, 12 and 16. व्हाट विल बी द फैक्टर्स? 4 के फैक्टर्स वी ऑलरेडी नो, इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर 1, 2 and 4. फॉर 12 1 is a factor, 1 multiplied by 12 and 12 multiplied by 1. So 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Next we have 2 multiplied by 6, 2 6 are and 6 2s are. Therefore 2 and 6 are 2 factors of 12. 3 से भी divisible है, 3 4s are and 4 3s are. So 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. After that it is not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7, not in the table of 8, not divisible by 8. So these are the factors of 12. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. For 16 we have 1 and 16. ये तो है ही, सारे नंबर्स को 1 और इट सेल्फ जो है दे आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दैट नंबर. नेक्स्ट 2 8 16, 2 8 16, so 2 and 8 both are factors of 16. Next we have 4 4s 16, so 4 is also a factor of 16. So 1 16 2 8 and 4, these are the factors of 16. Here also we can find 1 is obviously a common factor of these numbers. Apart from that 2 is a common factor of these 3 numbers and 4 is also a common factor of this number. So here we have 3 common factors of this number. So if we are given 3 numbers, we can find their common factors. Similarly for common multiples, we can find common multiples of given numbers. Consider the number 7 and 16. ठीक है. 7 और 16 के आप लोग को फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. We know that 7 is a prime number. Therefore the factors of 7 is 1 and 7. For 16 we know these are the factors 1 16 2 8 and 4. So when we have to find the common factors of 7 and 16, there is only one common factor which is 1. एक ही ऐसा common factor है 7 और 16 में, और वो क्या है? It is 1. Similarly consider the numbers 4 and 15. What are the factors of 4? Here we have written it already, it is 1 2 and 4. And what are the factors of 15? It is 1 5 3 and 15. These are the factors of 15. Here also when we have to find common factors, we get only one factor which is 1. So 2 numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So 7 and 16 are co-prime numbers. What are they? They are co-prime numbers. Similarly 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Again, what are co-prime numbers? 2 numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Thus 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Let us now begin exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Find the common factors of A, 20 and 28. So in this question we have to find the common factors of 20 and 28. For that, first of all we will find the factors of 20 and we will find the factors of 28, and after that we will find the numbers, that is the factors which are common in both, in 20 and 28. So let us see the solution. The factors of 20 are 1 20, ये तो आएगा ही. उसके अलावा it is divisible by 2. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. So 2 and 10 are also the factors of 20. Apart from that, we have it is divisible by 4. 4 5s are, so 4 and 5 are also factors of 20. So 1, 20, 2, 10, 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. Similarly, for 28, we can find that 1 and 28 are the factors of 28. Apart from that, it is multiplied by, it is divisible by 2. So 2 multiplied by 14 is equal to 28. So 2 and 14 both are factors of 28. Then we have 4 7s are 28. So 4 and 7, these are also factors of 28. So these are the factors of 28, 1, 28, 2, 14, 4 and 7. You can also write it in this order: 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. You can write it in ascending order as well. So here we got the factors of 20 and 28. Next we will circle the common factor. So 1 is a common factor. Apart from that, 4 is a common factor and 2 is a common factor. So 1, 2 and 4, these are the common factors of 20 and 28. So in this way we can write the common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. In the next question, we have to find the common factors of 15 and 25. So first of all, we will find the factors of 15 and the factors of 25, and then we will circle the common factors. So here we have 1, 3, 5 and 15, which are the factors of 15. 1, 5 and 25 are the factors of 25. The common factors include 1 and 5. So the common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. In the same way, you have to find for the next two sub questions, question C and question D, on your own and write the solution in your notebook. Question number 2. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. So in this question also we have to find the common factors but of three numbers, 4, 8 and 12. So first of all, we will find the factors of 4, the factors of 8 and the factors of 12, and then we will find the common factors of these numbers. So let us see the solution. So we know the factors of 4, these are 1, 4 and 2. These three are the factors of 4. For factors of 8, 1 and 8 are the factors. Apart from them, we have 2. 2 4s are 8. So 2 and 4 are also factors of 8. So 1, 8, 2 and 4, these are the factors of 8. Next we have 12. 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Apart from that, we have 2. 2 multiplied by 6. We have already discussed the topic of factors. So 2 के टेबल में 12 आता है, 6 के टेबल में भी 12 आता है. So here 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. Similarly, 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are also the factors of 12. So we have to find the common factor of 4, 8 and 12. All these three numbers. So here we will find the numbers which are common in 3 of these numbers. तीनों में जो common है वो. So 1 is common in 3 of these numbers. 4, 8 और 12 में 1 common है. Apart from that, we have 4. 4 is common in these three numbers. Then 2 is also common in this number. There are no other numbers which are common. So we can say that the common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. In this way, you can write the concluding statement. The common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. In the same way, you have to solve for part B, where you have to find the common factors of 5, 15 and 25 and write the solution in your notebook.